Okay, part 2 of the RAV4 install series. We finished the front door skin, which if you haven't seen, hit the link below, above or down below in the caption. It'll take you over to that YouTube video. We went over a full prep process and how we recommend installing the front door skins from the bottom up. This is basically a replica of that install that we're going to be doing for the rear doors. I wish these doors opened more, but they never do, which is fine. So what we're gonna do is, just like the front doors, we do a Geon prep spray, scrub everything down, then we do alcohol. Wipe everything down again, kind of see if there's anything left over, then we start installing our door skins. So, the reason we do this is mostly because of the degreaser and the pre-coating. So if you've done like ceramic or wax, I got like mist in my mouth. Dang, that did not taste good. If you have anything that you've applied to your doors that is silicone or wax based, it will prevent the door skins from sticking long term. So I definitely recommend using some sort of prep degreaser or something to make sure that your door skins or your door panels are clean. Now what we're gonna do is, now that we did the Geon prep, I'm gonna put some alcohol in this guy. Just do the surface again. So it'll say here, rear driver door. And what I'll do is I'll pull back. Come on. Okay, we're ready to go. We're gonna start from the bottom up like we always do. On the RAV4s, there's not really a fine line. We're gonna start with this piece here. Just like that. Right before it starts to curve is kind of my marker point where I'll set it. Squeegee the top part, squeegee down like this. Right. You getting it?
All right.
Okay. So then once you come down here, you're gonna notice that these pieces are gonna kind of, this one's gonna stick out maybe 1/8 of an inch or a 1/16 further, or if you get them lined up perfectly. We have a slight alignment issue here, but we're gonna fix on our final prototype, or our final product. This is a topo prototype for the rear. We did color match prototypes for the alignment stuff, which was, we just need to fix this little alignment issue. So when you get yours, it will not have that issue. Then what we'll do is once you kind of mark this section, mark it out around the speaker, you're gonna bring this, kind of pull it tight to make sure that that line is set this way. Then you're gonna pull up this section, set that as well. And then you'll see that there is a little bit of tension under here. You can pull this up, kind of reset the entire line, and then you just kind of go back and forth, pressing it down just like this. Just like that. Okay, now from here we're gonna move and we're gonna do this deep cup piece, which I'm going to try to display the best I can because it is a darker portion. Then this is the next piece with the little foot coming off of it. You're gonna line this up right here. Our final product, the topper, will line up better, that we commit to. But set this line right here. Then from here, at this point, I would heat this section. Okay, we're gonna come back, and then you just kind of squeegee your way into it. Man, I love how easy this vinyl is to install. Other vinyls, not this easy. Because we've worked with some pretty crappy vinyls. Okay, now we're gonna do this section right here, which is also a challenging piece. Ow. Pulling my hair. Pulling my hair, don't you dare. My hair, don't you dare. You can tell I'm a dad when I start rhyming funny things. Cause that's the games you play with your kids. Dad, what rhymes with hair? Bear. You ain't gonna get me today. Okay, I'm gonna squeegee this way. That literally lines up along the top. I give it about 1/8 inch of a gap. Then you're gonna pull up here and you're gonna be able to squeegee down to about right here. Like that. Then this is another portion because it's in a curved area. I would lift it ever so slightly like this. Okay, I heated it, it shrunk. You let it cool, do not press it down when it's still hot. So then once it's cooled and shrunk, then that's when you press it down and then you will post heat again. Go right down the middle. Intricate pieces like this, I'm always impressed with the team on how well they fit.
That's going in there.
Yeah, no, leave that. Okay, here we go. So you're gonna wanna follow this curve. Dang, that one laid really nice. And this flows up over the top. Slight curve. Bring it around the bottom. There we go. There we go. That protects that lower edge a little bit more. This is bigger on this generation, or the rear door versus the front. And then here, you just kind of squeegee out. Start in the middle and kind of squeegee out on the edges for the end. And then the top. Then we add a little bit of heat. Bring this through. There we go. I press this right up against the other decal. Boom. That. Got that. Then this is a big piece that is probably the most intricate and difficult to install. Again, this is vinyl, so if you do need to trim or cut to make it more feasible for your install skills, perfectly normal. So we'll bring it over here, match it up with the top real well. About right there. We're gonna run that top part and we are going to basically squeegee out with our hands out to the edge till about right there. And then we're gonna squeegee in because we have a curve right here that we want to feed some material into so there's less shrinking. Then we're gonna tack. We're gonna heat this area right here. That way it's pre-shrunk. Run this way. Okay, so now what we're gonna do, now that we waited for it to cool, and now we're gonna feed into kind of this curved area like this. And what you can do is you can get your fingers under here and kind of pull down to help relieve that pressure. Like that. Pull this little piece out. Press that down. I'm gonna feed a little bit of material up, because that's where the decal wants to go and where it needs to go. Now that I got to where I want it, then we can squeegee out the rest and tuck that underneath. Beautiful. I'm gonna post heat it. Get this guy in here. Yeah. There we go. Got this piece.
There's a car in here. No.
Okay, this goes that way. You can press all this out the back, and then this piece just folds over the front to protect that little portion. And the last piece is the top. Okay, so there is a molding line on these door panels, and that's where these door skins need to be lined up to.
I was telling him about your body.
Okay,
Do that, it's insane. Yeah.
just like that.
I'd go to Bali after that.
Pull that down. And I just kind of grab that squeegee or your hand, just kind of work your way to the back, squeegee it out.